This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Kieran Barwani. Experience modern living in this fully renovated 4-bedroom basement ranch, complete with a fully finished basement. The main level presents an open floor plan centered around a gourmet kitchen with a large island, 1-bay sink, and USB electrical combo outlets, capable of seating 4 comfortably. Butcher block adorns both the kitchen countertops and island, adding warmth and elegance. The layout flows into dining areas and a spacious living room, featuring a wood-burning fireplace and access to a large covered back porch, perfect for entertaining or quiet evenings. A walk-in pantry with barn door access adds a rustic charm. 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and a master suite complete the main level. The basement offers additional living space with a large bedroom, walk-in closet, living room, full bath with a tiled shower, and a utility room with epoxy flooring. A private backyard with mature trees, along with a concrete driveway for personal and off-street parking, ensures privacy and convenience. Enjoy a quiet setting in the county while remaining close to the excitement of the city. The spacious basement and backyard are ideal for a growing family or entertaining. Stainless appliances, laminate floors, open-concept kitchen, tiled bathrooms and fireplace are features not to miss. 4th bedroom and spacious basement create a large home office, hobby room or theater room. Get creative. For more information,